Honda update here. Picked up some Honda parts. Apparently, these things aren't cheap. I paid 20 bucks for a gas cap. Why did I buy another gas cap? If you look up Honda Big Red, these are like $50 each. Everybody's like, oh, Honda Big Red. But apparently, if you look up Honda gas cap, people are selling these because they're only, all the ones for Big Red are going for like stupid amount of money because they're vintage Big Reds. But these things went on like multiple bikes, from what I know. I found out, you know, and I was like, oh, somebody listed this as a different bike that was listed for a four-wheeler. So cheap. It's in good shape. Probably just gonna paint the top or just leave it. So got that. I also picked up a, this is for the newer bike over there, which doesn't it have a, yeah, this works. Just in case. Picked up some new fork bearings, one for each bike, in case I lost a few on the floor. I think I did. So it's some new bearings. I also picked up a Big Red, what does it say, 200? Yes, it's supposed to be 250. Maybe I bought the wrong one. It's supposed to be 250, yes. It's the fork parts for the wrong bike, apparently. So anyway, that's that. And on top of that, what else did I do in the bag of tricks? I managed to find an 86 carburetor, which I'm going to send out to get repaired. What makes it an 86? The jets inside, which are under here. But anyway, that's pretty much it for the, that is all the Honda parts I got? Yeah, that's a Honda part. I got a few other little things, but they're totally boring. So anyway, that's an update for the Honda. What's going on with it? I'm just piling parts up and putting them in a pile and organizing and cleaning a few things. I'm probably going to do the forks on that one next so I can get the front forks back on, because they're over somewhere over here. Oh, over there. I'm going to probably take the fork off, clean off the paint, and paint the fork assembly and put it back together and attempt to put the forks back on. I have to do some research because I don't know what the hell type of grease goes on those little balls in there. So I got to figure out how the hell that goes back on. Not on, but I figure out the grease so I can get the T back on. I do have the spindle and a hub on the wheel, so I can put actual front wheel on that one. I just want to make sure I have the front wheel and all that stuff together and sitting in place somewhere. So once I paint it, I don't know if I'll probably paint the bottom forks to make it look nice. Like I said, I'm not trying to do a perfect job. I just want to get it running. The biggest thing I wanted to clean up was the frame right here. That had bad stuff on it, like it was really bad. So I want to clean up the frame, just put it together. And I figured, well, I got it apart, I might as well take my time and fix it. I have another one. I have the emotional support bike to keep me going. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and tell me how you like the channel. And I'll keep you updated on me spending 20 hours scrubbing an engine, which I'm pretty sure nobody wants to see. But I'll make a little 2-minute compilation of me going and clean up the engine. I bought some things to clean it up, and I'm going to try to clean it up. Mind you, the 20 hours it's going to take to scrub that engine is going to be probably spread out within like 10 weeks, because it'll be like 30 minutes here, 20 minutes there, like it's going to take forever. But I mean, I seen somebody on Honda Big Red Nation on Facebook, and they cleaned up an engine really nice. They showed me how they did it, or they showed me the tools to use, so I'm going to go and use the same tools on it, clean up the engine. Hopefully that engine doesn't have a problem. Somebody alluded to the clutch was going weird, but I hope it's not. I swear to God, I hope it's not the clutch. But I'm going to clean off the outside, clean off all the tubing on it, drop it back in the bike, and then see what happens. See if it works or not. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.